what's up with y'all, man? Today I'm gonna be bringing y'all a quick updated video of how to unyellow your Air Force One soles. I made a video a long time ago, I think it's like 3 years ago now, and the video went super crazy. It helped out a lot of y'all loved the method. But I found an even stronger method, and not only that, it takes half the amount of time that it did in the last video. So I'm about to get into it. I'm not gonna waste y'all time. It's gonna be a quick, simple video, but make sure you follow along, because if you don't, you're just gonna have to rewind the video. So, I mean, just pay attention. Pay attention now. So let's get into the method. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. And if you're a returning member of the Guap Nation family, I appreciate you as always. And yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so what you're gonna need is everything that's laid out right here. You need a small bowl, a lemon, baking soda, hydrogen peroxide. I'm gonna get a little close up on that so y'all can see. If y'all wanna get the same one, you can, or anything similar, doesn't really matter. You're gonna need a brush, a dirty towel just to wipe your shoes off, and a bowl of water. But you want to fill the bowl up, or this is Tupperware, but bowl, whatever. You want to fill it up to where it meets the height of your sole on your Air Force One. So that's what I got it up to right now. So let's get into how we're going to make all this work. We're going to start out by creating a paste to cover the whole sole with. And this paste that I'm making is going to be strictly baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. So let's do it. So you just want to put enough to fill up the bottom of the bowl, then put some hydrogen peroxide in there, enough to make it a paste though. Don't put too much because, you know, at the end of the day, it's supposed to be a paste. Stir it up. And as you can see now, it's more so like a paste, which is what we want. Next, you want to get your Air Force One and that paste that you created. Put some on that brush, as good as you can. So you want to coat the sole with the paste. Cool, you want to let this sit for 5 minutes. So let it sit coated for 5 minutes. So that's what we're gonna do. So now that the shoe is sitting with the paste on it for the 5 minutes, we're gonna start creating the solution to basically dip the sole in. And it's gonna sit in here for 15 minutes. What you wanna do is get like a wedge, a lemon wedge, and an actual lemon. I wouldn't really trust buying like lemon juice from the store. Just get you a lemon, cut it, and then just squeeze it in the water. And what the paste is doing right now is just basically raising up the dirt and like all the stuff that's making your shoe yellow. That's why I said let it sit for 5 minutes and then get the paste ready. Or get the solution ready while the paste is doing what it does. So get all that in there. Cool, cool. Now what you wanna do, take your baking soda and shake it in there. I usually just do a good shake until like a good majority of the bottom is covered. So that's pretty good. And then what you wanna do is add a little bit of hydrogen peroxide in here as well. So that's about all you need. Now we stir it. And you just want to keep stirring until basically all the baking soda that you see at the bottom is mixed in with the water. So just keep stirring it around. And now as you can see, the baking soda at the bottom is gone because it's actually mixed in with the water now. And now, after the 5 minutes, we're gonna dip the shoe in here for 15. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes, and as you can see, the sole is still coated, but it's already starting to lighten up a little bit. Not too much, but just a little bit. So now we're gonna submerge the Air Force One in the solution. So right now it's at sole level, like right there. Had a little bit of an issue keeping my shoe submerged in there just because of the water. So all I did was just put a cup on top as basically a weight to hold it down. But now we're gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. So I'll catch y'all in 15. And here the shoe is after. Now, a couple key takeaways that I do want to let y'all know that I think people got misconstrued in the first video. This will not bring your soles back white. It will unyellow the sole, but it will not bring them back white. That's a whole different video that I can make for y'all. If y'all want to see that, just let me know in the comments. But this will unyellow your soles to where they won't be looking like, you know, cheesy, if you get what I'm saying. So instead of them being like super yellow, they will be like this on your feet when you're outside. This is what they would look like. So yeah, that's the method. If y'all have any questions, let me know. And until next time, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Appreciate y'all.